In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right Hoichoi app on your Android smartphone. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to get the right Hoichoi app and install it on your Android smartphone, you need to go ahead and look for this app on your Google Play Store. So for my case, I'll go ahead and tap on Play Store here, and then using this search bar up here, or if you can see the search bar, go ahead and tap on this search icon, and now just enter the name Hoichoi and search, and now you can see the app is here. So if you tap on it, you can see this is the right app. It is from Hoichoi Technologies Private Limited, and at the time of recording this app has a star rating of 4.3 from over 224,000 reviews, and currently it has over 10 million downloads, and the file size is 22 MBs. To get it, go ahead and tap on install, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Hoichoi movies and web series app, and then install it on your smartphone. Once it has been installed, now you can proceed and tap on open here, or if you go now to your apps, now you should be able to see your Hoichoi app. So if you tap on it, this is the welcoming interface, and now you can go on and start watching your movies and TV series. So that's how you can download or get the right Hoichoi app on your Android smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.